Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here right now at Dodoma. You guys remember last time I released a video from Salaam all the way to Morogoro SGR, and at that time I told you guys they did not start the new trips Salaam all the way to Dodoma or Dodoma all the way to Salaam. So today, for the very first time, I came to try this new train. All right, this is SGR. You know, Salaam to Dodoma, it kind of like take like almost 2 hours, but from Salaam all the way to Dodoma, it takes 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours by train. But if you use by bus, it's gonna cost you like 8 hours. You know, so it's a very long distance. But by train, we're able to use just a few minutes. But man, my first impression of this place, man, I'm here outside. I'm about to get inside that train. And the station, of course, is right there. And also there's some offices right there, as you can see. Man, my first impression of this place, it's incredible. It's crazy, man. It is crazy. The level of excellence in this place, the level of cleanliness in this place. Of course, it's a new place. So look at this. Would you take a look at that? And this is the level of excellence in my country, man. This is the level of excellence in my country. Sometimes I forget that I'm in Tanzania. I kind of feel like I'm somewhere else and not here in Tanzania. But this is Tanzania, man. Man, I cannot stop mentioning the government. I cannot stop saying kudos to the government. You know, the people who came up with this vision, everybody who implemented this vision until where it is right now, and they're still constructing this place. I know this road will go all the way to Burundi and Congo as well. So I cannot wait to see that happening. I cannot wait to just start my trip from Tanzania all the way to Burundi and Congo by train like this. And by the way, it's very important for me to say this. This is very first electric train in Eastern Africa. First train in Eastern Africa. That's first. Second, this is the 5th longest train in the world, guys. Not in Africa, in the world. 5th in the world, and also first in Africa. The first longest train in Africa and 5th in the world. You understand what I'm saying? So unless you're here, guys, you're not gonna be able to understand what I'm saying. But I'm gonna tell you this: please come here, experience, come here, see and experience for yourself. All right. Kudos to Tanzania. I appreciate the government and everybody. Man, kudos to Tanzanians. You guys continue to give tax. I mean, if we see development like this, I'm telling you, I'm ready to give tax even twice. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm gonna take that out of here, but it's just crazy, man. So enjoy the view, and I'm gonna show you guys the ride from here all the way to Dar es Salaam. All right, see you soon. The beautiful thing, guys, is the AC. There's AC here. Yeah, it's amazing.
Salaam.